Hello, welcome on supported.com channel. My name is Natalie, and I will be your private assistant during this tutorial. Before you start, make sure all following prerequisites are met. Are you ready? Let's start having fun with SAP. In this tutorial you will learn how to create function group in ABAP. In short, function groups are containers for function modules. Step 1. Go to Transaction SE37, ABAP Function Modules, put SE37 in the command field and hit Enter. Step 2. From top menu choose Go to Function Groups, Create Group. Step 3. In Create Function Group pop-up fill function group name, for example C_FG_arithmetic. Fill short text as well, for example my arithmetic function group. Step 4. Click Save button. Step 5. We need to choose place where to store new artifact. It can be either into transport request or as local object. For purpose of this tutorial, we will choose local object option. Step 6. We need activate function group. From top menu choose Go to Function Groups, Display Group. Step 7. In function group field put name of function group that you want to activate. Step 8. Click on Master Program button. Step 9. Click on Activate button. Congratulations! You have just created your first function group. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, support our channel and click on like and subscribe button. For more SAP tutorials visit supported.com.